Good morning. Today I'm going to discuss about the how to connect the Python and MySQL. Okay, it means we have to learn how to install the Python MySQL connector. Okay, for that, just I open the IDLE and click on the file and click on the path browser. Okay, so this path I have to traverse from C colon users like that, and I have to copy after then. After then, that this path will be same path will be copied into the environment variables. Okay, so this is the uh, this is the path. Okay, so for that, what I'm doing here, just minimizing this side. Okay, yeah. Now I'm opening this C colon. So this one I'm minimizing at right side. Okay. Mm, sorry, I want to minimize this one left side, and then here. Okay, whatever it may be, it is like this. Okay, so now what I'm doing here, I want to go for the C colon. So as per this path, we can browse. Okay, C colon after then users, again users. See here, C colon users, again users, application data, after then local, after then programs, after then programs. This is the programs. After then Python, after then 311. Okay, here scripts. I want this path. Okay, until this path, I want to traverse this. Until this path, I have to traverse. So here, what I'm going to do is here I traverse up to this path. So I want this path. Just Control C. Okay. Now go to the environment variables. So environment variables, edit system environment variables. Click on that. After then, environment variables. Now here we go to the system variables. Okay. So this is the user variables. This is the system variables. So better to add this path in the system variables. Click on the edit. Before that, click on the path. Click on the path. After then, click on edit. Then click on new. After then, just give the control. Okay. Click OK. So already I have the path here. That's why I'm deleting this. Just click OK. Click OK. That's it. So this is nothing but configuration in the environment variables. After then, what I'm doing is here. Uh, next, I have to go to the CMD. Okay, directly I will give the command. Why? Because here no need to give the path and all because already there in the environment variables. So what I'm doing here, pip install MySQL connector, MySQL connector, MySQL connector, okay, pip install MySQL connector Python. Okay, so press enter. Already satisfied. Already it is there. Okay, after then again you have to do this one also install uh, Python MySQL also. Python MySQL. Press enter. Oh, sorry, pip install. Okay, not install, pip install. Pip install MySQL. Python MySQL. Press enter. This will be satisfied because already it is there. So these are the two commands you have to do. Okay, install pip install MySQL connector Python and pip install Python MySQL. Okay, after then we'll go to the we want to go to check this connection whether it is established or not. Okay, for that I'm using one more file. Is nothing but here file. Already I have written this code. Okay, I will show you whether it is the connection is established or not. We will check. So here Python programs. Okay, here connections. This connection program now opening. Okay, now see, this is the first program. Okay, here what I'm doing here, you have to import the MySQL connector. Okay, MySQL.connector as con. So this is a variable name aliasing. So I don't want to use MySQL.connector, MySQL.connector every time. Just I'm using con. Very first, I want to connect to the DB. Okay, for that, I'm giving the DB is a variable name. Okay, con.connect, host, local host. Here, what is the local host? The local host is nothing but it's a common place where the MySQL and Python will communicate. Okay, that means that's logical. Okay, at the logical port, they will communicate each other. After then, username is root, password is root also, and database is 12 CS. Ensure that this database should be there in the MySQL. Okay. After then, and you have to check if db dot is connected. If it is correct, we have to get the success. So before that, I'm commenting all these things because first of all, we should check the connection is established. Okay, connection is established or not. So run this. So success. That means what? It is there. Now what I'm doing is simply so here now DB is connected. Now we have to connect to the connect the our cursor means table. So how to connect the table means db.cursor. db.cursor means what? It connects the table. So that is called my cursor. Now table is connected. What I want to do, I want to execute all the records. I want to get all the records. Select sharp from department. That means what? All records are fetched into the my cursor. Okay. Now what I'm doing here, I want to fetch all the records from the my cursor. So that is nothing but my cursor dot fetch all. That is called record set. So multiple records. This fetch all returns what data type? It returns the list data type. Okay, in all records are placed in the form of list. That means all records are uh, placed in the list only. Next here for in record print I, and this print count will count the records. Now we will see now whether it is working or not. Just run it. Click OK. Now see there are 4 records. The record count also 4. Hope you understood. You can very carefully install this one. Thank you. Have a nice day.